Welcome to How to Solution. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get or how to use WhatsApp on laptop for free. So what you need to do is simply get onto your internet browser first, and there are various methods to do that. So once you open up your computer or your internet browser, all you need to do is search for the WhatsApp web. Once you get to the WhatsApp web, what you need to do is simply tap on the WhatsApp web, that is from web.whatsapp.com official. And once you tap on it, you see that it is connecting and loading, and my WhatsApp is already logged in. So all you need to do is simply log out. So how are you going to log out is simply get into the WhatsApp. If you log out, this is the kind of a screen that would appear up, and you will require your mobile phone to scan the QR code. And once you've scanned this QR code, then it will no longer require your phone to work. So then it would operate as this WhatsApp is doing. So it tells you that now send and receive messages without keeping your phone online. So this is it. And the other method to do that so is downloading WhatsApp on your PC. Yeah, you heard that right. WhatsApp is now giving up its application for PC users as well. So what you do is open up the WhatsApp application. You see that just like WhatsApp web, once you are logged in, you do not require any mobile phone device. So this is it. And if you guys still need any question or answer to be answered by me regarding this, so you can always comment down below, and I would love to answer that. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe the YouTube channel of How to Solution. See you. Take care. See you in the next video. Peace.